Okay, so Copilot is really a probably great thing Microsoft did based on what I've seen others use it for, especially within Office and the Office suite. I am excited that Microsoft did something that actually makes sense, amongst other things. Now today, I'm just gonna take a look of how can we put it on Windows 10. Yes, there's people like you and me that still likes Windows 10, and we're gonna kind of install it. I'm not sure if I would call it install, but let's give it a shot. We're gonna put Copilot on the Edge browser, of course, because that's how it works. Click right here, and this is Copilot inside Edge. But now we can click these three dots here in the top right, go here where it says apps, this apps, and install this site as an app. I know it doesn't feel like anything great, but it works. And we can click right here, create desktop shortcut, and I'm gonna let it here be on the bottom. Close these all out, and now you have Copilot right here on your Windows 10. Now this is almost like opening the browser, but instead of opening the entire Edge browser and all that, just click Copilot right here, and it goes straight in only to the Copilot AI. Nothing, nowhere else. So what does it do? Actually does quite a lot, more than you can think. Can you draw a cat holding a microphone? I don't know, why would a cat have a microphone? But let's see what it does. And it's actually quite fast. I have to sign in. Let me sign in really quick, then we will come right back. Now let's ask it again after we signed in, finally. And draw cat holding, and hit enter, and let's see what do. I'll try to create that. Let's see if it can create it. Your image is generating, and yes, it works in full screen too. Just leaving it as it is. So it's kind of having Bing AI, or whatever they call it now, kind of in a shortcut. And without the whole pages and all that. A cat holding a microphone. Perfect. And we have a cat holding a microphone. Looks kind of, not gonna lie. It's easy to have it this way. Just saying that. But what this will not do is add Copilot to your Microsoft Office. And yes, I have an Office, but I don't have the 365 thingy. Yes, I'm signed in here. I'm gonna continue. You're on the cutting edge, am I? Where's the Copilot then if I'm on a cutting edge? Why don't you give me Copilot? Let me see, for example, if I search here, I can put a Copilot, and there's nothing. And yes, I have the new Microsoft, whatever you want to call that. Oh, to do autosave now, they added the file needs to be saved in the cloud. Okay, I am not a fan. No, I'm not gonna turn this. The old Microsoft Office, I know how it's turning into an Office talk now. You could actually say auto-save them locally. Now you must save it on the cloud, but I do not want the cloud. I just want to have these quick things here. So here goes that. Now there's a lot of commands, and let me see what else can be done here. So far I'm impressed with what they're trying to do, but I'm not impressed on the other hand that they are forcing the cloud stuff. And if you guys watched me before, you know what I think about the cloud stuff. Nothing against it. I know a lot of people love it and all that stuff. I'm not one of them, but just yes, and I'm part of the 365 Insider and all that cool stuff, but just doesn't work anymore how it used to, especially when it comes to the cloud stuff. And this is just something that I wanted to show you guys really quick, how you can integrate or add kind of a Copilot short thing here. Sync my stuff, send to this device. So we've also signed you into Microsoft Edge. We'll sync your favorites, history, passwords, and other browser data across all your signed-in devices. No thanks. You have more than enough access to this stuff. So I'm just, I don't know, write a poem with vivid imagery that doesn't rhyme. Why would somebody do that? Anyway, I'm gonna stop this one here. And yeah, if I find a way, or if I get the subscription, it's not really a way, it's a subscription that you have to get from Microsoft to have Copilot in your office. I will probably make a video about it. It's really a beautiful thing, I'm not gonna lie. it's actually a really nice thing to have. And as you see, yes, I'm on the latest update, but Copilot is a completely different beast here because it requires you to get money. And I have the product key, and I know I'm not gonna change it because I already have it. And yes, I have the Professional Plus 2024 preview because I'm an insider, whatever that means. And as you see, Copilot is nowhere to be seen. So it is not automatic. You'll have to get Copilot from Microsoft itself. Let me see. I think it's still $20. Yep, Copilot for Microsoft 365. And that's the pricing right here. Microsoft Copilot for $30. I thought it was $20 for individual. Anyway, this is just too interesting for me to even delve into it even any further than I am right now. Let me try to get the 365 app and see if it aligns with my license that I have. So in short, even if you have a 365 like I do here, for example, and registered and all that cool stuff, it is not instantly or by default enabled. I don't know when, even though I heard talk that they're about to kind of include it or integrate it somehow. But for now, they do not have it. As you see, I'm going to open a Word document. Copilot should be somewhere right here on the top right corner, but it's not. And even if you go to add-ins and all that, they have GPT for Excel, for example, but I'm not going to because I blocked it. I don't really want any of these things here. But when they add it, I will let you know. For now, I don't really know a better way to do it, especially for personal use, even though I have a professional license and all that 9 yards. It is not automatically integrated in the office. With that said, I'll hit you up with an update when the updates come. And for now, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!